Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 5 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard camera mode. From here let's go to the top at the center. When we tap here, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's go to the right to this button so we can open the camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down to the composition category, and now at the second place we have grid type, so let's pick it. Now we can decide to add to our camera preview 3 types of grid lines: the 3 and 3 standard one, 4 and 4, and the golden ratio. So let me start with 3 and 3. When we go back to the camera now, we can see this type of grid lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography. Let's tap to the center once again, and to this button from the right, slide to the composition, to the grid type, and change them to 4 and 4. And in the preview now we can see this type of grid lines, and they are also useful when we want to make experiments with composition at our picture. Let's go again to the center, to the right, slide down, pick the grid type, and move to the last one here, golden ratio. And in the preview we can see now this kind of grid lines, and of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real photo, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we go to the center, then to the right, and slide down to the grid type, we can turn them off. So for now, the grid lines in the preview have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.